This is my most favorite Bombshell Brow Kit. Look at this. Sleek, light, and you can carry it anywhere in your clutch or in your purse. It has two beautiful brow shades. It has a brow lift that is matted. It has a shimmer for the brows to add bling to your brows. It has a pencil. We have two-sided brush and my most favorite golden tweezers. This tweezers, just in case you have stray hairs and you want to remove them to keep them in shape. So it has 4 steps. Step number 1, I use the darker shade, transitioning to the light. So here I'm creating a box so that her brows can look more structured, and I'm using the lighter shade to transition, and I fill in the areas of the brows, brushing the brows with your spoolie so the brows are evenly spread out. The second step is using the brow lift. So this brow lift is to lift the brows to make it look more pronounced, and you draw a line just below the brow line and blend it out. You can always go the top of the brows too to create a clean look. Now the third step is adding bling to your brows. So take the shimmer highlighter, just go on the arch of the brow, above the brow bone, and gently dab a little bit of shimmer. So it instantly lifts your brows and adds bling to it. It'll make you look like a true bombshell. Well, the last part is using this pencil. I draw the line and fill it in. This pencil is great for those bombshells who are not very comfortable using the brush. To make the look more clean, sharp, it's always best to use a pencil. Now I'm doing the other side of the brow. Always make sure that you match your previous brow. Look at the pop of the shimmer. Look at the products, how they blend in so well. Our favorite Bombshell Brow Kit.